Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro X, and CHK. So Twitter pulling back a bit more significantly now with a little uptick in volume. So that means back off, be patient, and wait for signs of a bullish reversal candlestick. We had closed at the low of the day. So we're in an area with a lack of support. We're looking down at 19 psychological and 1890 as the only real levels from here on the daily time frame. So patiently waiting for the bulls to show up. At this point, the hourly RSI is approaching oversold levels, and pulling it up right now on my other screen just to double check that and see where we are at. The hourly RSI is 25. So if we start tomorrow with some weakness, we can be looking to buy this dip in terms of an hourly oversold bounce and hopefully transferring into a swing trade for a bullish reversal candlestick and a little bit of a bounce. After all this volatility, we're going to be looking for an equilibrium pattern to form. With our high, we'll set a low of consolidation somewhere, and then we'll bounce and we'll set a lower high and then tighten up with a higher low and likely wait for that level to break further. So it'll be a short-term trade looking for a daily bounce to set that lower high, but we'll be keeping an eye out for it. Weekly time frame pulling back significantly, but still a very bullish uptrend with that new higher high thanks to earnings. GoPro bear reaction to earnings, bulls bouncing right off moving average support. We did break 903 support, but only by 3 pennies, and then we saw a solid bounce. And by the end of the day, we bounced about 6% off of the low of the day. So a very significant bounce for these bulls. And our support is $9 psychological. The 200-day and the 100-day moving average levels are in there as well. And on the weekly time frame, bouncing and holding the 50-week and the middle Bollinger Band supports. So overall, the bulls are extremely strong. Look at this previous resistance, 50-week resistance, now acting as support multiple times, and now we're looking at the 100-week resistance. So the bulls are still holding this uptrend as long as we hold $9, but they have to see a significant recovery to get back up to bullish levels up in the 1070 range, the high of this week. So if we break $9, that's a clear bear signal on GoPro. X inside bar on the daily time frame as we see an hourly equilibrium pattern form. The bull move today set a lower high. We're looking at a higher low now. A bear break would occur at 27.28 and a bull break at 28.37. Weekly time frame rejecting from those resistances yet again. 7th time now that we've seen the upper Bollinger Band or the 50-day moving, or the 50-week moving average resistance reject the price. So very clear levels to be watching, and the X bulls need to see a bit of recovery. We certainly closed favoring the bears due to the proximity to support as opposed to resistance. CHK, there's a dump. So bearish reversal candlestick closed down near the low of the day. We had a complete dump and follow through and confirmation of that bearish reversal candlestick. And we're looking down at support here of 3465 and 341. So from here, we have to form a higher low, but we closed at the low of the day. So we're expecting some further downside with that momentum, but we have to form a higher low compared to 341. Otherwise, this move is completely erased as just another lower high on the weekly time frame. We are not confirming the bullish reversal candlestick from last week. We're rejecting from exponential resistance, and we are continuing this long-term downtrend of lower highs and lower lows that has been plaguing CHK bulls for over a year at this point. So bears in full control, no sign of that changing, and close at the low of the day, expecting some more downside tomorrow. So that's what we've got as we head into the weekend. We will see you over the weekend. Thanks again.